Come on. Do you want my pink one, Dad? Do you want the pink one? That's obviously not made for grown men. I know. He lost his bathing suit. Oh my God, I can't hold this still.
Come in more shallow land, dear.
Yeah, come in more shallow water.
When you get on it like you do, you gotta move up further. Move up further. Your head might not
I'm gonna pee myself. I can't stop. He's about as wide. He's about as wide as that thing. There's no way you can fit on that.
Why was so cheap? I'm missing a whole wrong here.
probably go on the other one.
I know.
Oh, this one is fun.
Oh my God. This is hilarious. I know, Mitzi's going nuts. She just wants to get in there. She's like, let me in, I'll show you how to do it. I know. No, because Dad can't be on that thing when she's in. She'll poke a hole in it. There you go, finally.
Don't move.
Don't move, or you'll fall right off. That's because you're about as wide as it. I know he's exhausted.
What happened to his son?
It's out there.